Hi guys, last video we have seen like how to launch a Windows machine and how to launch a Linux machine. So let me open a EC2 instance. Here you can see like the two machine we have launched. One is the Windows and another one is the Linux machine. Okay, so one thing we have noticed like while launching a Windows machine or the Linux machine, by default one root volume was there, right? So what is that? So we will deep dive into that. Okay, so in this dashboard, if you will come here, there is one section like elastic block store and the volume section is there. Let me click here. So here you can see like the two volume is already there. So what is that? So what actually happened is like whenever we were creating a Windows machine, by default as a root volume 30 GB as come by default. So that's why the two volume is already there as a EBS volume. Okay, this is for the Linux and this is for the Windows EC2 machine which we have launched. So this is a by default. Okay, now suppose as of now my Linux machine, if you see the size is nothing but a 8 GB. So suppose you want to create a volume or you want to modify a volume, so how you will do that? Okay, so let me click on this Linux machine. I'll go to the action. Here there is an option like modify. I will click on this modify option, and if I will increase 10, 7, 6, whatever. Okay, so I can do from here. This is a one way. The second way is like to create a volume. So let me create a volume. I am going to create a GB2. The size only I am selecting as a 2 GB. I want to add. Okay, and there is only one thing we have to remember whenever you are creating a volume and you want to attach to a particular EC2 instance. The EC2 instance and availability zone, it should be in the same, it should be same, it shouldn't be a difference. Suppose you have created one in the Mumbai and another one you are creating in the North Virginia, so that will not work. So if you, so both availability zones should be in the same, right? So that things you have to take care. Okay, after that you have to click on the create volume. So that is simple. Okay, now you can see the status is like creating status. Now you can see it is in available. Now if you will click here and if you will go to the action, so there is an option like attach volume. Let's click here, and here is the instance. Okay, so as of now, this instance is not coming because both our whatever the EC2 we have created and this volume, both the availability zone are different. So that's why it is not coming. Or you can search it by using your instance ID. But this is the how actually you want to attach to the particular EC2 instance. So let's see like let's go to the our Linux machine. Let's see, it is a US East 1D, and whatever the volume we have created now, this 2 GB, this is US East 1A. So that is why. Let me click modify option. It is not signed. Okay, so the option was not coming. So let me create one more. I click here. I will click the same availability zone where my EC2 instance is there. I will select the US East 1D. I will click on the create volume. Now I have created in US East 1D. I will click here. I will go into the action. If I want to attach to a particular EC2 instance, if I will go here, by default it is selecting me. So I am attaching to the Linux. Okay, I click on the attach volume. So now this volume is also attached to a EC2 instance. Now if you will go to the EC2 dashboard, running status, go to the storage, Okay, now it came like this is in use, this is in use. Means both the volume is attached to a particular EC2 instance. So 100 GB and 8 GB. Oh, I created by default 100 GB. So these both are attached to the particular EC2 instance. As I created 100 GB, I am going to first we have to detach to the particular EC2 instance, and after that I am going to terminate so that I will not get extra charge. 1 minute, it is detaching. Okay, now it is available. I'm going to the action, I will delete volume. So like this, if you want to increase a volume, so like this actually you can create a volume and you can attach to a particular EC2 instance. Yeah.